Hello everybody, it's Rebecca here. The time is 5:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and the date is 7/23/2025. And as we are looking at EMSE, we can see that 37 minutes ago there was a 6.3 earthquake, Minahasa, Sulawesi, Indonesia. It was 140 kilometers deep. So let's take a look at where this earthquake occurred on Google Earth and see what is near it. So I have not looked at this earthquake yet, so we're looking at it together. Now I had said to keep an eye yesterday in my quick update, I had said to keep an eye on Indonesia, Fiji, and Vanuatu. So those are the main areas where we're going to see 6.0 earthquake activity. So, as we can see, this is a little bit a ways from the areas that I was watching. However, it is in Indonesia. And this here is a convergent boundary, divergent boundaries, a continental rift boundary. And over here we have the Tolo thrust, convergent boundary. Here we have the Banda ridges. Over here, we don't have a name there, but as we can see, this is the Manokwari Trough. And up here, we have an oceanic convergent boundary. We do also have a volcano within this region, which is Kulo. And this is a stratovolcano, and it forms an isolated small island of Una Una in the middle of the Gulf of Tomini in northern Sulawesi. The broad, low volcano contains a 2-kilometer wide caldera with a small central cone. 3 eruptions have been recorded since the late 1800s, but 2 of those caused widespread damage over the island. The last eruption in 1983 produced pyroclastic flows that swept over much of the island shortly after all residents had been evacuated. So let's see if we can get over here and we'll see this is the island of Kulo. So this is a volcano here, and this region is seismically active and has volcanoes in it. As you can tell, we have a band of volcanoes here, so it wouldn't surprise me if there was also volcanoes here. But let's see if there's been any news for 6.3 in Indonesia. So, let's see here. An earthquake of magnitude 6.3 jolted 109 kilometers west of Gorontalo, Indonesia at 20:50:44 Greater Mountain Time on Wednesday, the U.S. Geological Survey stated. The epicenter, with a depth of 144.6 kilometers, was initially determined to be at 0.44 degrees north latitude and 122.09 degrees east longitude. I'm not seeing much news about this one, but that's coming from USGS. There is no information so far that I am seeing regarding any news for this earthquake. Because it was deep, I'm hoping that means that it was not as widely felt. Deeper earthquakes are not as widely felt as shallow, large earthquakes are. So hopefully this is nothing to be worrying about. This is what the area looks like. Anyways, you guys, sorry I didn't jump on earlier today. I'm still not feeling very well. I think I have pneumonia, but I'm just not wanting to go into the doctors to get checked. I'm just doing what I can to make myself feel better. Maybe it's the flu, but it has been going on for about a week now. Anyways, you guys, I love you. If something else big happens, I will be back on. Please remember to tell someone you love them. Tomorrow was never promised. And make each day an adventure. Much love.